Hello Ivan, it's Zurab here at Voss Motors taking this video especially for you of this 2010 Maserati GranTurismo with 88,000 kilometers on it, and price is 49,788 plus HST and licensing. The vehicle is in great condition. I drove it myself, drives perfect. It's kind of reddish interior and a gray metallic exterior. Rims, I do not have any other set of rims. These are aftermarket. It looks actually great, and the tires are perfect on it too, but these are the aftermarket rims. I don't have the originals. It's missing the tire pressure monitoring system sensors, but I'm gonna be installing those sensors on it too. If you have any questions regarding this vehicle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.